How to draw an inscribed circle of a triangle. We are to learn this technique by solving a typical problem. The problem is, draw a triangle with 3 arms of length 7 cm, 6 cm, and 5.5 cm. Draw the inscribed circle in it. Let's start. At first, draw the length of the arms, as described in the problem, by using scale and pencil. A 7 cm arm, a 6 cm arm, and a 5.5 cm arm. Now, move the scale at lower middle portion of the page, and draw a large line segment there. Take a pencil compass, move it to the 7 cm line segment. Stretch it about the length. Now, put the tip of the compass at the end point of this large line segment, and cut a 7 cm segment from this large line segment. Let this segment be called AB. Next, move the pencil compass to 6 cm line segment, and stretch it to copy the length. Then, draw a small circle arc from point A. Again do the same for line segment of 5.5 cm, and draw an arc from point B. In this way, the third angular point of the triangle is determined. Let this point be C. Take the scale and pencil, and draw the arm AC, and then BC. In this way, the required triangle is constructed. Now, inscribed circle is to be drawn. To do so, any 2 angles of the triangle needs to be bisected. Here, we shall bisect angle A and angle B. Let us bisect angle A. Note the steps in this bisection procedure. Then, bisection of angle B is to be done. Let these 2 bisectors cross each other at point G. Now, a perpendicular on arm AB is to be drawn from point G. To do so, take the pencil compass and draw a large circle arc. This circle arc should intersect the arm AB twice. If you get only one point of intersection, or no intersection, the process will not work. So, adjust the pencil compass, and make sure that it get 2 points of intersection. Then, draw another 2 circle arcs from these 2 points of intersection. These 2 arcs meet each other at point H. Join these 2 points, G and H. GH is the perpendicular line on AB arm, from point G. GH crosses the arm AB, at point M. GM is the radius of the inscribed circle. Finally, place the pencil compass on point G, and stretch it to length about GM, and draw the inscribed circle. Sharper pencil and steady geometric equipments can bring you the perfection. Hope you realized the process, and are able to draw it yourself. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Like and subscribe this channel and consider a thank.